I'm an assistant editor with Wales & Co. And I also assist on some shoots where I go out on locations, and I've done some sound and lots of other little things. My main job is sitting in the edit suite and going through all the footage and condensing it down to give to my series producer then, who then makes it into the final show. The best thing is I have sort of freedom to be creative, and I can sort of put my own slant on the stories that we get in. Working here is great. It's a nice, it's a small office, so we sort of get on with everyone. It's a nice chilled out environment, and you know, if I have any issues, I know exactly where to go to and who to talk to. Being a couple of apprentice, it's opened a lot of doors for me. It's enabled me to get a foot in this industry, and I've learnt a lot from being in the workplace as well. The first few weeks of Cyfle, when I was doing the coursework, it did give me a good overview of what to expect in the industry. There's a lot of things that were taught that I wouldn't have known previously, and it was really good to know coming in, you know, so I wouldn't come in at the deep end then. It prepared me a lot more for the workplace.